Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another daily Forex forecast video for you guys for the date 22nd of April 2022. Before I start today's video, I would like you to join my free Telegram channel. If you have not joined yet, I share my live trades in advance with you guys here absolutely for free. And you will also, once you join this channel, you will learn a lot of things regarding the market. How do I trade and when do I get in and why do I get in? Lots of insights about the market. So do join this Telegram channel. It's absolutely for free. Before I start today's analysis video, I would like you to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. Now let's start today's analysis video and let's see what we have for tomorrow. Now my secret market scanner has identified lots of pairs for tomorrow's market session. Before I analyze those pairs, I would like to analyze the EURCAD, which I took today, and currently it's running at loss. Market reversed just shy of some pips from our take profit area, and this kind of thing can happen. This is very normal in FX market, so sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, but the thing is we have to follow our plan and we have to stick to one trading system. And I'm trading this system for the last 12 years or so, and I have done wonders in my trading career. And once you join my free Telegram channel, you will see how I find a trading opportunity and how do I exit a certain trade and what levels I get in and get out. So this trade is going against us right now. If it will go some more higher, I will just close this trade and I will consider it as a losing trade. So losing is also a part of the game. We don't have to be right 100% of the time. Sometimes we have to face losses too. Nobody in the earth can do 100% win rate every day and every month, so loss is a part of the game. So I will just update you guys regarding this trade in my Telegram channel, so do join the Telegram channel for the update. And let's analyze what we have for tomorrow. The number one is USDJPY. Previous day bar is kind of trading around this resistance area, and the day before yesterday bar was also red. So let me see the weekly now. Weekly is trading around the 200 moving averages, and tomorrow is Friday. As we know that markets tends to reverse on Fridays, so currently it is at the top of the trend and somewhat resistance is showing here, so I'll just ignore this trade. The next is USDN. USDN is also, the day before yesterday bar was heavily red and it is currently trading around the resistance area, and it is also trading at the top of the trend, so I will just ignore this pair too. I want best of the best pairs to trade. The next is Aussie USD. The overall trend is up in the Aussie USD. All the moving averages are also pointing up, so I will definitely ignore this pair too. It's against my trading rules. Next is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar has printed a nice bar and all the moving averages are also pointing towards the downside, but I can see a support kind of area here. As you can see, lots of support in this range. So tomorrow is Friday and markets can do anything, so I will just ignore this pair too because we have a huge support zone here. I can see that, so I'll definitely ignore this pair too. Next is Euro Yen. Previous day bar is a rejected bar, so I will ignore this pair. Pound yen, also the previous day bar is also not good and we are trading at the top of the trend, so I'll definitely ignore this pair too. Pound CHF. Pound CHF is trading around the 200-day moving averages, so it's against my system rules to trade this pair, so I will definitely ignore this pair too. Pound Aus. The overall trend is down and all the moving averages are also pointing towards the downside, so I will definitely ignore this pair too. Euro New Zealand, same goes with Euro New Zealand. All the moving averages are down and so I will also ignore this pair too. This is the beauty of analyzing like this. Doing analysis like this, you will find the best of the best pairs and your winning percentage will increase. So that is what I do. I go through all the pairs and find best of the best ones. So let's see what we have for pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, same goes with it. All the moving averages are pointing towards the downside and overall trend is also down, so I will ignore this pair too. Aussie CAD, the overall trend is up, all the moving averages are up, and also it's trading around the 200-day moving averages, so I will definitely ignore this pair too. EURCAD, all the moving averages are down and the price is kind of stuck in this resistance area, so I will definitely ignore this pair too. The last one is the New Zealand CAD. All the moving averages are pointing down and the overall trend is also down, so I can only find the New Zealand CAD as a potential pair to trade for tomorrow. So after analyzing each and every pair, we only found the New Zealand CAD sell trade for tomorrow, so I'll definitely watch this pair in the tomorrow's New York session. So do join my free Telegram channel to get to know which trade I will take in tomorrow's market session. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the analysis. If you like my daily forex forecast video, do smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon. And I would also love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.